Good day, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good night, shalom, shikamo, wagwan, namaste, sobalai, my people, depending on your time zone. Mama Suji right here. I'm at the ambitious project of Mama Suji. I've just come from down there, up there, because this side is down, it steeps downwards. So I've come from there, coming this way, checking the house, the progress, how it's going, because now it's the tiny finishes and a bit of masonry that is supposed to be taking place. Yesterday, guys, it rained here. It rained very much. It rained, and that's where I was rescued by the neighbor with umbrella, because I had to go back home. And this place was slippery, guys. This place here, hey, we couldn't climb here. Water was coming. You see how this place is. So this is where we stepped, and then we went up, and that home there, they gave me an umbrella. And so this is a project, guys. This is how it looks like. Yeah, that is Dixon right there. They are working on yeah, I'm going to show you what is going on. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the neighborhood. It's like that. Seasonal River is down there where somebody is seated there. I don't know what he's doing there, but most likely he's taking care of a goat or a cow somewhere. Yeah. So this is how things are. Yeah, this is the area, how it looks like. So let us see how things are now. I don't know whether somebody passes there or what, but anyway, we shall come to. So go inside and see. This is how things are here. It rained heavily. It rained. So our stones are getting finished. We thought they were in excess, but here there are still some more anyway. So this is how things are here. It's been long since I came to give you the update here. It has been long. Yeah. So these things, they're getting finished or what? What is going on here? It's reducing. They are reducing, and they are meant to be used in the whole of this place. Windows, doors, everything here. We are not going back to the shop. And then this sand, they're using it for plastering. Did it run away with the water, rainwater? A bit of it did. Just see. Yeah. It rained while I was here, guys, and it was not easy. It was rained very much. Habari yenu? Okay. Stima iko aje? Iko ama hakuna? Oh. So this is what is going on there. So there is. And here, what is happening here? It's like this side is stopped again. This is what was done last time. So there's yet another wall, another place. How? This way. this way. And you come the door to the bedroom there. So you come this way. Okay. So there's some more down this side. This wall hasn't moved yet. It hasn't moved. We only placed 3 stones yesterday. What? 1, 2. Or was it? Oh, okay, maybe. This is the sitting room, and that window is supposed to be. That window is supposed to be enlarged a bit, just a bit, for proper lighting. Yeah. So this place was supposed to be parking, guys, but the parking was not coming, so it was not bringing. Hence, the reason too. I'm wondering why this frame is here, and this is the last place. So hapa ni usingizi inachapwa vizuri sana. Yeah. Ni kazi gani baba? Ha? Unafanya kazi gani? Na so unalala uko tu kwa simu. Si uko tu kwa simu. Ni wewe tu uko hapa? Oh. Wewe peke yako? Good. Na kwa nini iko hapa frame ya mlango? Nimesema fundi ameteremka alafu amerudisha wale. Amefanya nini? Amerudisha? Imeteremka juu. Imeteremka kutoka juu. Unajua hakuna ingine ina nini, kwa hivyo isiwestike. Ametupa tu. Ameirusha tu. Hataki. Iko sawa. Na kwa nini iko huko? Okay, sawa. Habari yako? Kwani leo mko wapi? Leo mnafanya wapi? Huko juu. Oh, juu. Ndio brasa huko juu. Mimi nashindwa hii nini ya mlango sasa hii. Watasema haikutosha inunuliwe, si ndio? Si ni frame. Kushikanisha frame. Sasa inakuwaje? Sawa, wacha niende juu nione maneno ikoaje. Na sasa ikitupwa hivi? Imetupwa wapi? So pale. Na huku si ni mwisho sana, iko mbali. Mama alikuwa anatengeneza hiyo frame, sijui anatengeneza wapi. Masai anasema ilianguka kutoka juu. Basi ilianguka mpaka ikaingia ndani ya nyumba. Okay. Yeah, so okay. So let us climb and see what's going on up there. Haya, pita uende. Yeah, so this is the situation and this is the position as at now. Yep. So I've gotten a frame, I'm using it to walk. So now it's like I have 3 legs. Let me see inside here. So hii ndio nimepata huko. Iko aje? Yuko sawa. Wewe ndio unafanya hii? Na sasa umetupa hii, utasema hazitoshi. Niliambia nani alichukulie. Yote zinatosha. Habari yenu? Nzuri. Msumari imekuja. Hata nimekutana naye. Kama asili nilikuwa na walk tu, hata nikimpigia. Kwa ni kwa mlima. Sasa tumepatana. Tumepatana wapi? Juangu. Okay. So guys, this is how door frames are being made like this. Kwa hivyo hata umezimaliza tayari?
Nikushikanisha. Ziko bado.
Oh. Ziko tu 11?
Ziko 11.
Okay. Alafu hiyo ukishikanisha hivyo sasa hiyo itatolewa?
Hiyo itatolewa ikishaga kwa mlango.
Kwa mlango?
Siko na maworo pass. Itatolewa ninaona iko pale sasa.
Okay. Kwa hivyo hii ni ya wapi?
Zote zinakuwa size moja.
Nakuuliza hii utawekwa wapi? Unajua unatengenezea mlango gani? No, mlango ya bedroom peke yake.
Hii moja. Na ile nyingine moja.
Hapana,
Hiyo room nyingine moja.
Ni moja.
Zinaenda 1
1 lakini sio kwa hii mlango. Hiyo nyingine. Hii ni ya umenionyesha hiyo nikashtuka. Kasema we?
Sio hiyo.
Oh. Okay. Haya, sawa. Acha nione huko juu kunaendaje.
Haya.
Kwa hivyo leo haikuwa wanajenga mawe pale chini.
Huko hapana. Watu wanajenga.
Ilistopiwa tena.
Walikuwa na fix huko juu venye zilikuwa zinatoka hapo juu. Walikuwa wanatengeneza hizo madirisha ndogo kushikanisha na mlango huko. Sita kwa
madirisha ndogo zinashikanishwa. Na nini? Na cement. Okay. Sawa, acha hata mimi nione na macho pia. Yeah, so guys, this is how things are. This is the door. Quite high, quite nice. This is how it's going to look like this. So you go in your house. Yeah, like that. Well, so here is how things are here, guys. Yeah, it's like this. Welding right there. It's like power has gone off. Yeah. Stima imeenda? Jana hata mlikuwa yenu imeenda, lakini kule ilikuwa tu. Niliwapigia wakasema stima iko. Yeah. Yeah, so so it's gone. Electricity power is gone. So let us see this side how things are. Plastering of the shutter continues. Yeah. So this is what's going on. They've done that bit. So the other side. Habari yako? Okay. Yeah, so he's doing plastering the shutter right there. Can't go up to that side. Yeah, I can just work. So this side is like you can see. Yeah. And this bit. Yeah. And we go up. Somebody's doing chisel here. Oh, must be there. I think it's plumber or something. Yeah. So this is how things are, guys. They're still here. Because of the small stones falling, I've decided not to go there now. Oh, person is doing it up here. Not even down. It's up here. Yeah. Ni wewe. Unajua inamwagika na chini. Ni shimo? Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, so he's preparing for that waste pipe. For the waste pipe where it will be fixed. So that is how things are. And yeah. So uzime hiyo kitu yako kidogo tu. Redio yako kidogo tu. Usinipatie shida na video yangu. Video yangu utakikani isikie hiyo. Yeah. Habari yenu?
Mzuri sana.
Yeah.
Leo umekumbuka mwanzuri.
Hii ni ya ule alinipatia.
Nani?
Neighbor. Sema inakuanga na maneighbor.
Yes, sasa unamwambia umeazima mtu mahali.
Yeah. Hii ni ya neighbor na warudishia.
Hi mom.
Hi. Habari ya hapa?
Salama.
Oh, aya, unapeleka hii wapi?
Kwa hii room.
Oh, wana fix nini? Oh, ya plastering ya juu.
Yeah.
Oh. Sawa. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. So this is how things are, guys. This is how things are. Plastering up there. It's done here. And yeah. Things are going on very well. Very well. I don't know why that place has fallen, but maybe they'll fix it. Kwa hivyo hata uko karibu kumaliza? Chidi bado.
Niko nini tu itoshe. Then from tomorrow. Tunafanya pipe fix. Tunatoka chini kila kitu.
Oh, unaweka moja. Pipe moja. Hiyo.
Tutaunganisha chini tukipanda.
Mkipanda. Oh. Kwa hivyo hapa tu ndio unachimba.
Yaani hapa nafungua slips zote
Paka chini. Oh, okay. Sawa. Let's see how this side things are going. How are things doing this side? Wondering who. Yeah. Oh, that side they are plastering already. We shall go and see. Kumbe Vaita ulikuanga huku na ulikuwa upande ile tena wewe. Nilikuwa nafikiri huko.
Hapana.
Ulienda kupiga story na msichana? Aki habari yenu? Wewe. Huku stima huko imeenda. Hapa iko. Ndako nini? Okay. So this is how things are. We shall come and check later there. They're busy. Let us see what is going on here. Let's see. Habari yenu? Salama. Plasta imeanza? Oh. Hata huko. Oh, inakaa poa. Haya.
Tunao madam.
Wewe kwani wewe unakuanga wa plasta? Unakuanga wewe unakuanga mdosi hao watu. Wewe pia unajuanga hii kazi?
My deep body yoga.
Plastering? Hujawahi sema. So wewe unarukanga tu kutoka
hapo. My deep body yoga madam. Kana sababu neno kakalo kakabikujo. Deep body yoga.
Oh. Wow. Hey, I've known him to be a caretaker of Pacific, but now he's telling me he's a plaster person. These people, you never know. Yeah, so hey, it's looking nice now. Wow. This is how it looks like. Plastering, guys. Plastering. Oh. Emmanuel. Habari ya masiku? Sasa uko na mdosi wako hapa mnafanya kazi. Ama udosi jiji yote mliwacha udosi. Mdosi yake wanafanya kazi na mdosi wake. Alafu jioni mnaingia kazi huko. Ai, habari yenu? Oh, okay. Mnaendelea na kufanya plaster. Okay. Poa sasa. Okay. This is good. Kibe. Kama sio kibe.
It is kibe. Oh.
Wewe pia unajua plaster?
Plaster? Hii tunazijua.
Unazijua? Unazielewa? Wapi pale umepiga? Ogo. Wow. Haya, okay. Ati tunazielewa. Good. So this side is, as you can see. Finally kitu iliwekwa vile nilikuwa nasema. Si ndio hii? Ndio hii imewekwa. This is that. Yeah. Good. This is how it is. So if you want to sleep that way, you sleep that way. Then I don't know, but this is how things are here. This is how they are. Yeah. So bringing you to speed to what is happening at the site, guys. Yeah, this is what is happening now. Yesterday it rained very much, and I think that tank got full or something. Yeah. This is how it is, and this is the situation here, and I'm here. Everyone is working. That side plastering is going on. This side is, as you can see, chiseling or cutting of the wall for the pipes to be placed. Yeah. So this is how they do it. Measuring. This is how it is. The measuring is like that. Anaambiwa to check.
Ilikuwa huko imezima.
Huko kwa boma. Ni drip. Unaambiwa akisha uone kama iko stima. Yeah, to check if there's power. Hakuna.
Bado.
Kwani yako wapi?
Kinyo.
Bado.
Hebu akisha tuone.
Ako nayo.
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa?
Yeye ako sawa. Yeye ako sawa. Mumeguza yake.
Kutengeneza waya ya pita.
Yeah. So this is how things are, guys. Yeah, let me see from here. Jude, nango. Chill. What is your name?
My name is Jude.
Jude, electrician.
Yes.
From who flew from Kisumu City to Kajiado. Jaluo is no joke. Being a Luo is no joke. He came flying to this place. He flew to come and work on this house. Haya, nimeona umeinini. Ile nilikuwa nakwambia subeweka. Ile
nimeweka. I realized I needed it.
Yeah, you needed it. But the side of bed ndio sijui. Itakuwa tu hivyo. Or from up it can be dropped. But you must have somewhere to switch it off when you're sleeping.
Yeah, but you can just put something. Trunking again a pipe and make it.
Before they do the plastering. So yeah.
But they're not there yet.
They are not yet there. They are on the other two. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow they'll be there. Okay. Oh, this is the thing. Hey, okay. In your 4-way. This one. Ah, okay. So guys, this is our electrician. Eric has been having problems at home. His family, his wife has not been well, so he's away. So we have Jude here taking over the piping bits of the ambitious project of Mama Suji. So now you know. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Yeah. Okay. That's what is happening there. And this is what is happening here. Unajua Jude, ni kama kitanda ya hii nyumba itakuwa inaangalia huko. Mama, mtu anaweza weka akiangalia kama watu wanapita, itakuwa huko. Itakuwa hivi, kitanda ikaa hivi, na hiyo ni choo, na hiyo socket ingine naona hapo kama hapo, because wardrobe itakuwa somewhere there kadogo hapo. Anyway, mwenye nyumba atajipanga. Extension. Watachokora. Unajua hizi ni za, this was for young people. No, this is a studio. Sio single room. It's a studio. Single room haina toilet. Inaenda nje. Everything is outside. Hii, it's called a studio. It's a studio. So hivyo, everything is inside. You know. Bed-sitter. Toilet is outside. Or bed-sitter is like this. There's no seats inside. There's no table. It's a bed, and then you have your stove just there next to the bed. Washing plates you'll wash outside. There's no kitchen inside. There's no kitchen. Yeah. So this one is a studio. It's a studio. Yeah. So bringing him to speed with what is happening in our Kajiado County. We have studios. Yeah, guys. So yeah, that's what's happening here. They're fixing that window at the kitchens, at the kitchenettes right there. Yeah. So that's what's happening. Guys, stay tuned. So guys, I'm still here at the site. And let us now see what has transpired in this room. Let us see now clearly. Oh, a lot of water. So plastering has been taken place, and that is how it looks. That's how it looks. Wow, it looks like that. This other side is dark. It's kind of dark, but the plaster has been done. That is studio number 2. Studio number 1 is like this. This is how it looks like, guys. This is how it looks like. Wow. Yeah, that's how it looks like. This is how it has been done. Plastering has been done, and this is how it looks like. Nice. So here what is left is the floor and the bathroom. Bathroom and a bit of here. Here. This place here. So that is how it is. And this other side, not yet, but it's ready for plastering. And yeah, this is how this place looks like, and that's how the door looks like after it has been fixed. This is how it looks like. Wow, I'm loving this place, loving it. Yeah, this one is higher, but this other side, I don't know. Anyway, they know how will they do it. So this is how this place looks like now. Clearing and plastering. And downstairs, people have now done their bit. Yeah, and people are going, and we thank God, because the day is now closed. End of day is done. Yeah. So now I want to go. I'm going now also. I want to close our vlog. Yeah. You've seen now the progress, and I think we are okay. We are okay. We are okay with everything as it's going. The progress has picked, the speed has picked up, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. Yeah. So here, something should be done. Should be done here. Somebody can easily fall. Yep. Yeah. So keeping proper keeping in the stove.
Mwisho
Kwani msumari inaenda kuwekwa huko? Store huko?
tunataka kuweka tools.
Tools, si ndio huko?
Huko mahali wako.
Amefunga nini? Pale pa kupita ni ngumu.
Nataka kujipenyeza hapa pole.
Hata mpatie tu akunini bebasi. Yeah. Hadi basi. Haki wewe. Haki bra.
Yangu sana.
Sitaki
hawezi furahia.
Hawezi furahia. Usikuita hivyo. Okay. Yeah, so our steep stairs. Yeah.
Nalipia hizi tu tunaficha hapa. Fundi abebe vitu vyake.
Nakuja kusaidia kuchunga.
Hey, these people. Yeah. So I'm going down like this, guys. These stairs are very steep. Steep. Yep. And so this is how we are going. That's how things are. Yep. I'm going down, guys, as a survey the progress and anything that could be. Remember, our tank used to be there, so it was removed, and now it's in front. Now they are heaping here a lot of stones from inside this former parking, which has turned into a house. But anyway, it is labor intensive. It's labor intensive. They will again move this soil, cotton from here to another place. Hey, what? Yeah. So guys, this is how things are. And yeah, these are workers. Lady now, she's very smart now. Yeah. So that is how things are. I want to close this blog right here. Right here. Have a blessed day, a blessed evening, depending on your time zone, full of God's blessings. Bye.